Right, so in the previous recording, we calculated the mean, the variance, and the standard deviation using Excel. Here they are. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to simply transfer them to our Word document. Okay, so you can either copy it straight as a table, or you can snip it to get an image. You may want to snip it so that you can, your values will not right. So here I want standard deviation to show standard deviation. Why isn't showing? Open it up. Okay, we need to open it a little wider. All right, standard deviation. Open this up a little bit. Right. So you can just snip this. You can snip the numbers, the row and the column, the row number and the column letter. Good. And then you paste this in your Word document, solutions. Control V. Okay. And that's part E. So make sure that you paste your work in. So the mean. Here it is written, but you can just rephrase it again. The mean and standard deviation. Okay. The mean and the standard deviation are equal to 35.5 kilograms and 15.80 kilograms respectively. Okay, and this is supposed to be in times Romans 12. Okay, so now what we need to find now is the median, because the question says to work out the median. Okay, here it is, median. So when you have an interval distribution, here's the formula for the median. Okay, it's in a list of formulas. It's the very first formula. All right, here's the formula for median when you have an interval distribution. So we can just carry forward this formula, make it form part of our working. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to calculate the location. All right, so location, I'm not too sure why it's an MSP Gothic. Location, okay, is equal to, all right, a half. We can use math type. 1/2 times n. Now n here now is equal to the sum of the frequency. So it's a half times the sum of the frequency. Okay, bear that in mind. N here is the sum of f. Okay, so it's a half times, and we calculated the sum of f to be 40. So it's a half times 40. Half of 40 is 20. So we are looking for the 20th value. Okay, we're looking for the 20th value. Okay, so now to get the 20th value, we need to cumulate the frequency now. So we go to where we have our frequency and we add another column called cumulative frequency. We can just call it com3, cumulative frequency. Okay. So to cumulate the frequency, we start with the first frequency, which is 12. Okay. Now we're looking for the 20th value, so we have to continue cumulating. Okay. So we take that 12, type equal, we take that 12 and we add it to the next frequency, which is 15. We get 27. So we stop because we have surpassed our location. Remember, our location is 18. And look, we're on 27 already, 27th position. Okay. By the way, that is 12th. We can add a TH to this. This is 12th position. And that's the 27th position. All right. Right. 12 plus 15 is 27. And we're looking for the 18th. So we pass the 18th. So we stop. Okay. So our previous cumulative frequency is 12. All right. Because we need that in the formula. If we take a look at the formula, here we need the previous cumulative frequency. So this is 12. Okay. We also need the frequency of the median interval, which is 15. We also need the lower boundary of the median interval, which is 25. Okay. And we need the group width. The group width will be 45 subtract 25. Okay. So therefore now we come to the formula. So we can type therefore Q2, median is Q2, lower boundary, which we highlighted, which we found out to be, we identified it to be 25 plus, okay, open bracket, we have a fraction to put, the location, which we calculated it to be 18, let's just verify, no, 20th, 20, half of 40 is 20, so our location is 20, subtract the previous cumulative frequency, we got it to be 12, divided by the frequency of the median interval, which is 15, times the group width, which is the upper boundary minus the lower boundary of the median interval, which is 45, subtract 25. Okay, and that should give us our median. So let's do the calculation. So let's do the 20 minus 25 first. Okay, the 20 minus 12 first, sorry. 20 minus 12 is supposed to be 8. Let's calculate the group with 45 minus 25. That's 20. Okay, and now we can do this division and multiplication before we do the addition. Okay, so let's do 8 over 15 times 20. 8 divided by 15 times 20. That gives us 10.67. And now we can do the addition of 25 and 10.67. And this gives us a median of 35.67 approximately. Okay, so this is the median statistic. Okay, so we can just try and decrease this a little bit. So this is going to the other page. Or this, we can reduce this in size a little bit. This formula a little bit, just a little bit. Just enough for us to type this sentence here. Therefore, median, all right, is 35.67 kilograms. So that's another statistic, all right, calculated in this review exercise.